Hey folks, I'm Bryan Snyder with Serra Nissan, Traverse City. Today we're looking at the 2018 Nissan Rogue SL trim level. It's well equipped, heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start. Also is equipped with a Nissan ProPILOT, which is adaptive cruise control with steering assist, and that's what we're going to be demonstrating today. You can lease one of these for $29.99 down for $364 a month. So this is a 2018 Nissan Rogue. This is the SL trim level, and it is equipped with ProPILOT. ProPILOT is a technology that not only works as adaptive cruise control, will speed up, slow down, and stop with traffic, but it will also assist the driver in making small steering corrections to keep them in the center of the lane. This reducing fatigue and stress on the driver as they're going. So here we are about to engage our adaptive cruise control with steering assist, or as Nissan calls it, the ProPILOT. I've engaged the cruise control. My cruise control is set at 55 miles per hour, but my speed is slower than that because traffic is going slower than that. Right now the radar and cameras are attempting to pick up the lines on the highway, and as we can just heard a beep, now we are in steering assist mode. We have a curve coming up here, so hopefully my lovely assistant can get this on camera as we watch the steering assist take control and take us right around this curve. No hands. It's pretty cool. Now, it's not designed for that. It will require you after 10 seconds to put your hands back on the steering wheel, or the steering assist does go off. But if we get a close-up of the steering wheel right here, you can see it making small steering corrections. Warning to put my hands back on the wheel. Here we go, watch this. Taking me right around this curve. Pretty cool, huh? And if you'll notice, we have the car in front of me, its blinkers on, the car's automatically slowing down for me, and will come to a complete stop if I follow this person. You'll notice I'm not braking, I'm not doing anything, the car's come to a complete stop. Thank you for riding along on the Nissan Rogue ProPILOT test drive. Come in and do your hands-free test drive anytime. Come see me, Bryan Snyder. You can reach me at 231-486-8904 or at serratraversity.com.